First question is: Indus Valley Civilization is a 1. Copper Age Civilization, 2. Iron Age Civilization, 3. Axial Age Civilization, 4. Bronze Age Civilization. Correct answer is 4. Bronze Age Civilization. Next question is: On which river bank the Vedic civilization flourished? 1. Godavari, 2. Mahanadi, 3. Saraswati, 4. Krishna. Correct answer is 3. Saraswati. Next question is also known as the Light of Asia. 1. Rumi, 2. Buddha, 3. Gandhi, 4. Swami Vivekanand. Correct answer is 2. Buddha. Next question is: Who is considered the first real founder of Jainism? 1. Parshvanath, 2. Rishabdeva, 3. Neminath, 4. Arishtanemi. Correct answer is 2. Rishabdeva. Next question is: Literary sources from the Mauryan period include Indica and Underscore. 1. Rock inscriptions, 2. Arthashastra, 3. Coins, 4. Pillar inscription. Correct answer is 2. Arthashastra. Next question is: In which year was the Harappa, Indus Valley, civilization discovered? 1. 1921 AD, 2. 1941 AD, 3. 1956 AD, 4. 1895 AD. Correct answer is 1. 1921 AD. Next question is: Which of the following is the oldest Vedas? 1. Rigveda, 2. Yajurveda, 3. Samaveda, 4. Atharvaveda. Correct answer is 1. Rigveda. Next question: Gautam Buddha was born in 1. Gaya, 2. Lumbini, 3. Kapilvastu, 4. Sarnath. Correct answer is 2. Lumbini. Next question: Who was the founder of the Maurya dynasty? 1. Chandragupta II, 2. Chandragupta Maurya, 3. Vishnugupta, 4. Ashoka. Correct answer is 2. Chandragupta Maurya. Next question: The founder of the Gupta dynasty was underscore. 1. Kumaragupta, 2. Chandragupta I, 3. Sri Gupta, 4. Samudragupta. Correct answer is 3. Sri Gupta. Next question: Who among the following announced the discovery of the new civilization in the Indus Valley to the world in 1924? 1. Daya Ram Sahni, 2. Sir John Marshall, 3. Alexander Cunningham, 4. RSIM Wheeler. Correct answer is 2. Sir John Marshall. Next question: The Rig Veda contains underscore hymns. 1. 1014, 2. 1028, 3. 1035, 4. 1020. Correct answer is 2. 1028. Next question: Who was the 23rd Tirthankara of Jainism? 1. Rishabhnath, 2. Parsvanatha, 3. Ajitanatha, 4. Mahavira. Correct answer is 2. Parsvanatha. Next question: Where was the capital of Maurya kingdom situated? 1. Agra, 2. Magad, 3. Patliputra, 4. Mysore. Correct answer is 3. Patliputra. Next question: The capital of the Guptas was at underscore. 1. Rajgriha, 2. Vaishali, 3. Pataliputra, 4. Kannauj. Correct answer is 3. Pataliputra. Next question: Harappa was discovered by 1. R. D. Banerjee, 2. Dayaram Sahni, 3. A. Ohame, 4. A. V. Alexander. Correct answer is 2. Dayaram Sahni. Next question. The collections of Vedic hymns or mantras are known as 1. Jainati, 2. Sanhita, 3. Bali, 4. Vidatha. Correct answer is 2. Sanhita. Next question. Which of the following is the symbol of Jan Tirthankara Parshvanatha? 1. Bull, 2. Lotus, 3. Snake, 4. Lion. Correct answer is 3. Snake. Next question. Who was the teacher of Chandragupta Maurya? 1. Ashoka the Great, 2. Skandagupta, 3. Vishnu Sharma, 4. Chanakya. Correct answer is 4. Chanakya. Next question. In the Vedic period, the society was divided into classes called Varnas. 1. 6, 2. 3, 3. 5, 4. 4. Correct answer is 4. 4. Next question. The last Tirthankara of Jainism was 1. Parshvanath, 2. Mahavira, 3. Ajitnath, 4. None of them. Correct answer is 2. Mahavira. Next question. The Harappans were 1. Rural, 2. Urban, 3. Nomadic, 4. Tribal. Correct answer is 2. Urban. Next question. In the early Vedic period, society was classified on the basis of 1. Profession, 2. Color, 3. Wealth, 4. Birth. Correct answer is 1. Profession. Next question. What was the symbol of the last Tirthankara of Jainism, Lord Mahavir? 1. Snake, 2. Bull, 3. Lotus, 4. Lion. Correct answer is 4. Lion. Next question. Which city of the Indus Valley civilization was famous for its dockyard? 1. Mohenjo-daro, 2. Dholavira, 3. Lothal, 4. Kalibangan. Correct answer is 3. Lothal.